Bent, but this is not all about fun and games. It's actually very serious.
Absolutely. This is about an invention that's designed to help people who are trapped in natural disasters. So think of tornadoes or hurricanes, and these are things that the people of Alabama know all too well. He's a man on a mission.
My name is Robert Goodner. I'm a retired Alabama State Trooper. I also own a company called Resolution Group, whose mission is to provide the best equipment available to our first responders out there.
Robert was in the military and on a SWAT team. He's seen friends injured and killed. Now, he wants to give rescuers a new tool to haul them and civilians out of danger. It's called Chase. Casualty, hasty, available stretcher equipment.
The biggest problem with conventional stretchers is it takes up such a tremendous volume of space, either in an ambulance or a rescue type unit to get there. Even in the helicopter, there's only so much room that you can put rescue equipment in.
Have me in this thing?
Today he wants to demonstrate his stretcher and a few other inventions to the ones who would buy it, the rescue experts.
Today we're out at the Dale County training facility
to prove how useful and versatile it could be. First, in a car fire scenario.
I'm breaking the glass so we can control the flame in this vehicle.
Then, in a helicopter rescue, dangling from a 30-meter long cable.
We're getting ready today for a training exercise with Alabama Medium Rescue 11, which is part of the Ozark Fire Department, the Alabama State Troopers, and the Dale County Sheriff's Department. We're going to be practicing long line and short line hauls using the two different helicopters.
It's a tough audience. These guys like their gear tried and true. But Robert is fired up about his.
So the standard board right here, the double back board that you take apart, you see how big it is. Where this weighs just a pound, you pull the handles out, it attaches off the pouch. You can wear it in on your belt, so you actually don't have to carry it all the way in. And we can do a drag, coming from the back of an apartment or back of a trailer, or just dragging somebody away from it, to actually where we can put them on a gurney or a backboard where we have more room to maneuver. If we're doing a two-man carry, we can strap him down, and what we can do is we can take his hands, okay, and we can put his hands inside these loops. Good support, 1, 2, 3.
The Chase is tough. It's made from a nylon material that's lightweight and rip-resistant. Compact, so it can be strapped on and carried all the time.
Level 3A body armor, and what happens here is, as you can tell, the Chase stretcher system is manufactured inside the body armor itself. So every law enforcement officer, every soldier, Marine, anyone wearing a ballistic cover is actually wearing their own rescue system.
Time for the fire test.
This system is a fire suppression system that consists of cold fire product with a 6-liter canister. It comes with an aerosol can as well, and it also comes with a stretcher, the Chase stretcher. The stretcher that actually goes with this kit is a fire suppressant kit. This is one of the stretchers that goes out just like that would be attached to this kit. This stretcher is used for smothering flames, and it can also be used to transport someone.
Robert's colleague Justin Partridge sprays everyone's arms with the patented liquid inside the canister for protection against the flames.
I can take a blowtorch straight to my skin, go almost all the way down to my bare skin with it, and no burns. And guess what? You can eat it and it doesn't hurt you. I'm going to let you control the distance. It's a plant-based product, 100% non-toxic, creates a thermal heat barrier on your skin, and it also cools metal super fast, beyond belief, like no other product. Accelerant going on.
Like the dummy.
Got the dummy.
Good. The fireproof stretcher does its job. The cold fire liquid kills the flames, and the victim is hauled to safety. The system works the way it should.
What is this made of?
Basically lined with fire-resistant, fireproof materials that's blended down into the fabric.
Now, the chopper rescue demo. The Chase will replace a harness or rescue basket. It'll be the only thing holding Robert. State Trooper pilot Shane Hobbs will be his rescuer.
We bring it around the back to support the back and to keep them in the system itself. We bring the two handles together, or the two ends together, with the 4 handles. Each handle is rated at a certain tensile strength that we know will handle this load or any load. And so what we do is we bring those together, and when the rescuer comes down, what he does is he brings those back over my shoulder, back behind my head to support my head, brings the 4 together, and at that time he comes down and hooks up the connection with a long rope and hoists them up, and they're on their way.
Quite a view from up here. Obviously, Robert trusts his product with his life. But what do the pros think?
I felt very good about the piece of equipment while Mr. Goodner was riding it. I had no concerns with it at all. It doesn't take up very much room. It's very lightweight. It's easy to deploy, quick to deploy, easy to put on, and has multiple uses.
In a quick retrieval situation, I mean, I think it's perfect. The strength of the material, the way it's packaged, the way you carry it, the way it, I think it's very functional, very flexible.
The reviews are good. Time to wrap up this show.
We save one life.